we're gonna make coconut pumpkin pancakes.
That sounds amazing.
Oh, they're gonna be great, and they're full of protein, super healthy. We got some flour, we got a cup of flour.
Okay.
We got some pumpkin puree, a couple of eggs. You need some apple cider vinegar, baking powder, a little salt. Got some almond butter over here we're gonna use. Here we got some flax seeds, some baking soda, and obviously we've got a little bit of coconut milk.
Nice.
We got the light coconut milk.
Now I see some maple syrup.
Yes, and some maple syrup. Super tasty. We're gonna throw that on top of a little slice of banana, and then we're gonna go.
Yummy.
All right, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta take all these dry ingredients.
You're a good whisker.
Yeah, I got whiskers. Then we're gonna take this big ass bowl.
Couple eggs.
Couple of eggs. Bingo.
All right, bango.
Throw that in there.
Right. Wow, nice muscles using the stirring jar.
And mix that up.
Nice.
And slowly do it. We're not gonna add it all at one time so it doesn't all clump up.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Right?
Right?
And you look good.
And I look good.
And that's
you gotta look good when you're cooking.
I know, that's all that matters, right?
It's looking really good. Do a little spray. A little spray in the pan. 2 pans here. And I'm running out of spray. We're gonna just I took a little 1/3 cup, one of these little guys, so that way I can measure it out. We're just gonna slap that in there like so.
Wow, that doesn't look like perfectly round.
No, it doesn't.
Uh-oh. But I want my pancakes to be perfectly round.
They're not.
Oh.
So I guess you'll have to do them yourself. All right.
Are they done yet? Are they done yet?
I want to test them with a little toothpick.
Oh, okay.
You know, just grab a little toothpick.
That's a good idea, like a cake.
Yeah, like a cake. If it comes out clean, that one's clean. Clean. No, they're all clean. Look at these.
Oh.
Right? So good. Look at that stack. We'll throw a couple of bananas on there.
Right.
Throw some berries on there.
Wow, you look a little top heavy there.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
Wow, right? And you could probably add even chocolate chips to this. Wouldn't that be good?
You probably could.
Wow. Hey, it's snowing.
Oh, look at that. It's snowing.
Oh, that's perfect, by the way.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Let's go right into it. Let's just grab.
Wow, look at that.
Where to
I
cut
don't
it?
even know where to go.
I don't even know where to cut it. Oh, let's just go right down here.
Wow, right? Oh no, give it a bite. Give it a bite, I guess.
Give it a bite. Yeah. Here we go. Mmm. Yummy. Those are good.
Amazing.
Really good.